Here we go. This is your famous gold and silver. And we had a lot of overbought stocks in here. Everybody got crowded after bin Laden got killed. Well, who knows? Maybe these are the miners though. They sold off big. Silver had a one big day drop as well today. Let's take a look at the Morgan Stanley related commodity index. Look at this. They're all overbought. Kind of like I showed on the first list. And that's what we talk about, a correction. Let's take a look at the natural gas. Look at the natural gas. It's all red. Okay? These are the trades that the most people were all buried in. And these are the ones that are going to pull back in this sector. A lot of speculative oil names in here and things like that. The thing about it is, in the Deutsche Bank Energy Index, look at the haircut once again. ExxonMobil, Diamond Offshore, Devon Energy, ConocoPhillips, Hess, Oxy, Murphy Oil, your little Halliburton, okay, your Marathon Oil, your Riggs Transocean, your XTO, all of them overbought, going down. Here's this index, which is overbought because the indexes are so overbought. Look at here. Morgan Stanley Oil Services. Look at some of these good haircuts that got down in here. These are all listed stocks. They trade on the New York Stock Exchange, where 60% of your program selling occurs. Oil services. Let's take a look here. And this is what happens to people. And it starts in a place that gets so extremely overbought and profit taking must occur. We did say a week ago that a correction was around the corner because we're winding down the earnings season. And as I said, as the earnings season winds down, that's the reason to take a profit. So this was the most hyped up, not the most, but one of the most hyped up sectors. And not to mention the retail sector. Let's take a look at the Morgan Stanley cyclicals. They got a haircut too. Not all of them, but quite a few of them, because once again, Caterpillar's in here, it's overbought. FCX is in the copper. Silver had the one biggest day drop. We're going to be looking at where these bottoms come in. Sears Holding, big haircut. Deere, big haircut in the cyclicals. Okay? As far as consumer related stocks go, there are a lot of overbought ones, and these are going to be the next shoe to fall. The retail area, which is overbought in a lot of these names as we wind down the earnings season with good earnings. Yeah, they may have been good all right, but I'm sorry to tell you, they're overbought, and these too are coming down. Okay, and there was already a little bit of haircut that started there. There is a correction around the corner. Financial services, let's take a look at security broker dealers. They were selling those today in there. Of course, you know Morgan Stanley's in here, Goldman Sachs and things like that. Here, how about your wonderful little banking index, because it's been beaten down. They came over here to try to give some short cover and bought these names in the S&P banking index, which is the BIX.X. So basically we can see where the bigger haircut was today. Semiconductors, let's take a look at the Philly Semiconductor Index. What a big distribution. Seasonal pattern. They reposted good earnings in a lot of these names, but guess what? Needed to correct. Too overbought. Makes the short sales work. All negative here. So the leaderships that do pull back in 2011 will be great trades once they go through a distribution. That's part of the forward-looking correction that we talked about. How about the transportations? Dow Jones. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones. Transportation. Here we go as far as the UALs and some of these other, just Dow Transportation got the FedEx. A lot of these names performed well. They're overbought. They got to come down. NASDAQ Transportation, the haulers and things like that, next shoe to fall. Already started in the TRANX. Sorry to tell you. These are overbought stocks. We have a complete list. They match on the list. It makes it short, makes it a profit. Thing about it is, retail people buy, hold. They don't know when to come out. Now's the time to be selling into the rallies because the earnings season's winding down. I'm going to conclude it right now. We'll do a lot more. Let us not forget in the casino area, You had Las Vegas Sands miss their earnings after hour. What a big ass haircut that is. Win. That's a great short on that win. I'm telling you, it's overbought. I'm telling you. So Las Vegas Sands is going to start a selling party right here. Take a look. Not to mention First Solar and a lot of other ones. So I'm going to conclude the video for now, and that's how it is.